my dear, are the characters of your fear. Thalamus, your vigilante, receives stimuli from your senses. He usually dispatches it to more than one source. Amygdala, the fire chief, determines a possible threat and triggers Hypothalamus, the lieutenant, who prefers to act first, ask questions later. As far as the investigative team of your prefrontal cortex, sensory cortex is the interpreter of data received from your senses. While hippocampus, she is the question asker. Where have I seen this before? Is this linked to the weather? She is the reason you can calm down later. And like you would expect from a wise woman, she stores up all those fear memories so that she can add it to her database. Amygdala also gets a copy